Are you an apple body shape? Meaning, do you have a large bust, narrow hips and a full midsection? This makes the body appear like an apple shape. Let's talk about how to dress for your body. Emphasize your waist by wearing a belt. This will clench your waist and make you look taller. A-line and wrap dresses and skirts are your friend. You really can't go wrong with these styles. Avoid clingy fabrics that highlight your midsection and make you look fat. Instead, opt for flowy tops that drape over your tummy and give a smooth look. Dark colors help create a slimming effect. Don't be afraid of prints, but stick to small patterns. Go for V-neck or scoop neck tops that elongates your upper body. When it comes to pants, choose styles that fit well in the waist. High-waisted pants can be flattering. It will lengthen your legs. Straight leg and wide leg pants work well with your shape. If you wear jackets, pick the longer ones so that you look slim and taller. Go for ankle-length shoes that elongate your legs, balancing both your upper and lower body. If you are going for a party, go for pumps or wedges for a streamlined and well-defined look. Avoid ankle straps and chunky heels that can shorten your legs. Statement earrings, necklaces, and scarves are great options to avoid emphasis from your upper body. Carry a structured handbag that is proportional to your body. Wear shapewear if it helps you feel more comfortable, as it will give you a more curved shape. Always try clothes on before buying them and check if they fit you well or make you look more bulkier. Don't be afraid to get items tailored to fit your curves perfectly. Confidence is key when it comes to dressing for your body. So be confident and love your body. Embrace your curves and own your style, because you are beautiful no matter what. With these tips, you can create a wardrobe that accentuates your best features while hiding the rest. Dressing for your body shape can be fun and empowering. So, go ahead and rock that apple shape with confidence. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and if you know more fashion tips, tell us in the comment section.